Hello and welcome to Iffi News. We bring to you all the latest happenings and celebrities visiting at the film fest. Top happenings at Iffi. Evgeny Ruman, director of Igor and the Crane's Journey, a movie from Israel, said that the story of the film somewhere related to his own life. He was speaking at a press conference at Panji. Kim Nguyen, director of War Witch, said that his movie was filmed in Congo last year. It took 7 to 8 years to write. It is not a true story but a combination of many true incidents transformed into a story, Omkar Falari reports.
This movie is a family movie. It's an Israeli, Polish, German co-production. But mainly it's an Israeli movie because I live in Israel, and the story is about an immigration. It's about an 11 years old boy called Igor. His name is Igor. And he immigrates with his mother, who decides to immigrate to Israel to find a better life from Russia. And well, it was an adaptation of the Israeli children's book, which screenwriter Dita Gary adapted to a screenplay, and I was invited to direct, partly because it resembles my story in a way. When I was 11 years old, my parents immigrated from Russia, from Soviet Union then, from collapsing Soviet Union to Israel. Somehow it became a part of me, and I became a part of it without even meaning it specifically. And well, the story is also, as you can get by the name, connected to the journey of a crane. Cranes are migrating from Russia to Africa, and they have a stop in Israel, and some of them stay for winter in Israel. So the story is about a boy and a crane, their journey, their connections, and how they both affect each other.
It's a story that was filmed in the Democratic Republic of the Congo last year. It was the second film to be shot there, a feature film. It tells the story of a 12-year-old girl who gets abducted by rebels, and it's also a love story of this girl from the moment that she's a child soldier. She tries to find some sanity and some dignity and tries to get out of the shadows in which she's been pulled in, and yeah, she tries to find the resilience in her life.
Open Forum was inaugurated on Friday at Iffi Courtyard. Iffi director Shankar Mohan spoke about the facilities available under this forum. Vice Chairman of ESG Vishnu Vag also expressed his views. Omkar Falari reports.
I request Sri Mike Pandey, President, Indian Documentary Producer Association, to welcome Mr. Shankar Mohan, Director of Iffi. May I request Shankar Mohan to inaugurate and talk about the highlights of the Iffi so that we can have a question answers. After that, I will request Vishnu Suryavak to say something about Goa Entertainment Society and what are they doing in Goa to spread film culture.
Broadly, I would just like to say that we have brought greater purpose and focus in this edition of the festival, especially with regard to Open Forum, because I happen to be in charge of the Mumbai Documentary and Shorts Film Festival organized by Films Division this year in February, and I saw the tremendous contribution of IDPA at that festival, where they were organizing the Open Forum and seminars on a daily basis, and the amount of response that was coming through and the subjects that were being discussed were so animated and exciting that I thought that we must definitely bring them to Goa and make it a collaborative effort so that both IDPA and FFSI are involved in the Open Forum and we get greater participation, greater synergy and greater new ideas. So that's one thing that we have brought on board this year, fresh, something new. The other thing is we have created a new informal session called Chai and Chat for greater interaction between delegates and filmmakers. So that's a forum that was not strongly available at Goa. It was not there last year. And we have managed to set it up at the lounge on the first floor of Old GMC. And that's opening once again. It's opened yesterday and it will be meeting every day at 1:15.
So I think we have to find a way over this, and we'll have to work out a system whereby we can know how full the theatre is, whether all the seats are occupied or not at the time of the screening of the movie. If we devise such system, then it will be possible for us to let all those who are waiting in the queue to let them in and watch the film. So this is one of the inadequacies which I have noted. The one major complaint which we could hear all these years was about the lack of facilities of providing ethnic Goan food, which we have taken care of this time. I'm very happy to tell you that the ESG has promoted one food stall here, which serves totally Goan ethnic food, which is prepared not in hotels nowadays, but only at homes in rural parts of Goa. So all these ladies come from rural villages. For the first time, they have been participating in an event like Iffi, and they also tell me that we are very fortunate now to interact with so many things. They tell us कि हम इतने भाग्यशाली हैं कि फिल्म दुनिया के बड़े-बड़े लोग आके हमारा यहाँ खाना खा के चले गए, तो ज़िंदगी भर हम ये बताते रहेंगे कि हमने इन लोगों को खिलवाया था, खाना खिलवाया था. So I thank you on behalf of the ESG for giving us this opportunity. As far as the Entertainment Society of Goa is concerned, the birth of ESG is directly related to Iffi. I mean, Iffi is the birth child of Iffi के लिए ही ESG की निर्मिति हो गई.
India's young filmmakers Aishwarya Dhanush, Onir and Gauri Shinde spoke to our reporters Rohit Wadkar and Tulsidas Chari following their press conference on Thursday. Onir, the film director of My Brother Nikhil, which was shot in Goa, spoke about his upcoming projects. Aishwarya Dhanush, the daughter of Rajinikanth, and Gauri Shinde, who is the acclaimed across the universe for her recent movie English Winglish, spoke about their work and Iffi 2012.
गोवा इज़ एक्सट्रीमली स्पेशल फॉर मी. बहुत ही स्पेशल जगह है क्योंकि मेरा जो फर्स्ट फिल्म है वो कम्प्लीटली गोवा में शूट किया है. तो गोवा मेरे लिए सबसे स्पेशल जगह है क्योंकि मैं जब फिल्म मेकर बना हूँ गोवा में बना हूँ.
आपने शुरुआत की माय ब्रदर निखिल्स के, अभी आपके नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट कौन से आ रहे हैं अभी?
मैं अभी दो प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रहा हूँ. एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ जो विकास मिश्रा डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उसका नाम चौरंगा, और वो झारखंड में बेस्ड स्टोरी है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट मैं अपना फिल्म जो डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, फिल्म का नाम है वेदा. वो लखनऊ और लंदन में सेट है. एक लव स्टोरी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट वाला है फिल्म.
गौरी जी, हाउ डज इट फील कमिंग बैक टू गोवा एंड फॉर दिस इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल?
Excellent. I think two of the best things that can happen is Goa, one. Second, film festival. I think the combination is deadly. I mean, ये combination छोड़ के और क्या combination हो सकता है? तो ये सबसे बेहतरीन और सबसे best option. और weather ये time पे गोवा में और films देखने की तो मज़ा ही कुछ और है. और I think ये मैं जैसे पहले भी किसी को बोल रही थी कि हर 2 महीने में भी हो जाए गोवा में फेस्टिवल, फिल्म फेस्टिवल, तो भी हाँ बहुत अच्छा होगा.
कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे आया ये? बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट ऑफ बिट कॉन्सेप्ट. एक आया कहाँ से? आपका कॉन्सेप्ट था या इसके बारे में?
मेरा ही कॉन्सेप्ट है. अभी ऑब्वियसली तो आया कहाँ से? घर से मेरे आया. तो आपने अगर पढ़ा होगा तो नहीं, घर से है ना, बिकॉज मेरी माँ से प्रेरित है ये कहानी, और वहीं से आया और वहीं से.
How difficult was it, or was it easy to get Sridevi on board?
It was very easy because we met, she liked the script and she said yes and we started.
आयज आमच्या ह्या 43rd इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक आसा ऐश्वर्या धनुष, जी जावन आसा कोलाबरेटी एज एन 3 ह्या मुवीची प्रोड्युसर. हाउ डिड 3 हॅपन?
3 is my first film, and I wanted to direct a film, and I was writing the script, and Dhanush was very kind enough to fortunately like the script and give me dates, and 3 happened because he gave me dates. So it's very close to my heart, and again, before you ask me, I'll tell you, Kolaveri happened. Yeah.
Next question.
Yeah, so it happened, and we're all blessed that it happened to us, and thankful to God and all the viewers who made it so big, and it's changed life for all of us, and I would be thankful.
In an ironic twist, delegates who tried to attend the movie In a Better World on Friday afternoon at Iffi found out just how bad the ground reality is at Iffi 2012. A number of delegates with valid tickets for the movie were not allowed admission into the theatre despite being on time. They were informed by security that it was house full. Lokik Shilkar reports.
How can he take foreigners? How can he take foreigners from
You have to open it. You have to allow us. We have ticket.
How can he take the foreigners from another door?
This is a valid ticket. Still they are not allowing.
Put this ticket on the
Still
TV and show
they
the
are
people
not allowing.
what is
Just
going
say.
on.
You can record it.
Record it, please. Please record it.
We are standing here for last 45 minutes. And schedule the movie today is 2:45. They are not allowing ticket holder inside. That's the problem. We are the ticket holders. Many people are here ticket holders.
With ticket. He's
Not
taking
one and
people
two and
without
three.
ticket. We came on time. We were on time here.
We were on time.
Yeah, he started
And
taking
when
other
he came
people.
here, he says it
This
is
is not
full.
correct.
It cannot be full when you're giving valid ticket. Because the people without ticket only go after we have entered. So he doesn't want to face us now. Why is he running away from here?
Can you please send an educated person to talk to us? Can you please send an educated person to talk to us? Nonsense. Can you please send an educated person to talk to us?
The name of the movie is In a Better World. But after the problem we have faced getting in, you can know what is a better world. We are trying and fighting for justice here, but there's no way of getting justice.
We're heading for a short break. Stay tuned.